Shit is good.
Oh man. Right?
Sweet.
It's sweet, bud.
So normally the people come and take them off. But
Yeah.
tell them not trouble for you. Yeah. And you want it. Then other people don't know about it.
These ones are very sweet too. Oh, Jeremy, I cut them one by one. What we do is cut down the whole bunch out and then drop them broke up.
Oh.
So him I do one by one.
You take them by the bunch. You mix them up.
Oh, okay. That's what we do. We get them rotted.
Really good.
Whoopsie. Me what? You know what I do? I'll get one cup.
Chutney, right.
Oh yeah. Jelly night, you know. Okay. Oh yeah, and it's gonna be sweet. All right, perfect. See, we didn't let this go to waste. Nope.
Shit is good.
Oh man. Right?
Sweet.
It's sweet, bud.
It's good for your heart.
Just because it's you can wash off your heart.
Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, we can't rush with this.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah. Oh gosh. Can't we get and throw away them here road? That's the last one. No, we don't. What's that?
I would breakfast is jelly water and jelly.
Good for your brain. I can think clearer. This is good thinking food.
Jelly water and lime juice.
It reduces anxiety?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
I've got to give you some.
No, seriously.
Jelly water.
With lime, it feels fresh lime.
What does it do?
It calm me down. Yes. You don't know say calm me down, but it calm me down.
Really?
Yeah.
Jelly water, potassium, whatever. I don't know.
Yeah, with lime in it.
Oh wow. Fresh lime.
Yes. Like first time when people got embassy, just before
Like
they
for
go in.
nervous.
Yes, nervous.
Oh, for nervousness.
Yeah.
Anxiety.
Anxiety.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
That yeah.
Mm,
You never know that? No,
What the?
Yes.
Jelly water and lime.
And lime, yeah. Yeah, let's tell us before we go to embassy, drink jelly water and lime.